Right, copy command. So what is a copy command? What it will do? One second, please. Okay, copy, right? ls. So what are there? So blueject.txt is there, hurry.txt is there. Copy hurry.txt to AWS hyphen DevOps 58, right? 58.txt. So AWS.DevOps.58 is there, hurry.txt is there. What it contains hurry.txt? Nothing is there, huh? Okay. Oh, no worries. So whatever the content is there, right? The content will be copied to the, so for example, backup having the content, right? Backup. Yeah. Copy backup to, yes, all right. Cat AWS. You see, whatever the content is there, right? You just copy the content with a new name, new file name. Yes, understood? So the next one. So copy AWS DevOps batch to temp. I'm moving it to temp. CD temp. Let's see in the file is there or not there. Where you guys? Yeah, you see here. AWS dot. So that is there. That is there. So you are moving it to file from one location to another location, or with the same location with a different name, or copy AWS DevOps batch slash temp to